Redeeming your IKEA promo code. Browse for items on IKEA.com. When you find an item that you like, click Add to Bag on its product page. Choose Continue to Bag on the Your Cart box that opens from the side panel. At checkout, enter your IKEA promo code in the Have a Discount Code input box. Press the Apply button to enjoy your IKEA discount. What to do if your IKEA coupon isn't working? Verify that you have correctly entered your IKEA coupon code. Ensure your cart meets the minimum purchase amount or any additional requirements. Make certain the coupon code which you selected is valid and has not yet expired. If you're still having any trouble, try a different IKEA promo code from Coupon Follow instead. Stacking and combining IKEA promo codes. According to our research, IKEA does not allow coupon offers to be combined, including the 5% discount for IKEA family members. Be sure to use the best coupon code to get the best price on your next IKEA order. More key tips for IKEA couponers. Get the best deal on your next order at IKEA by trying any of these effective and easy shopping tips.
IKEA savings tips.
Shop sales straight from IKEA's homepage, where you'll find seasonal sales and product categories on sale displayed prominently near the top. Click on any of these to go directly to the offer pages so you can save big on your next purchase. Click on the Deals tab near the top of the homepage for a menu of the best prices on everything IKEA has to offer online. You'll find newly discounted items in the new lower price section, along with sale pages, ongoing IKEA family offers, last chance items,